Okay, class 10, this is our part 1 video from exercise 4. Now today we start totally new and the fresh chapter, linear and inequation. Okay, so what do you mean by inequation? Inequation, that means it's not always equals to. You are all familiar with the equation in which two sides of a statement called left hand side called LHS and right hand side called RHS are connected by equality sign. In fact, have solved many equation in 1 and 2 variables, also some statements, but in this question you see there is a not equals to sign given. It's either more than, less than, or sometimes equals to. Okay, but more than equals to or less than equals to. Solving an inequation in one variable is much liking solving an equation in one variable because most of the basic rule apply. Of course, there is no exception. Solving linear equation in one variables, there are some rules. Remember these rules. Okay, you can do anything to following equation, add or subtract the same number or expressions to the both side. That means whatever you do on the both side, LHS side or RHS side, not only do in any single side. Whatever you do, you add, you subtract, do both side. Okay, number 2 point. Any number or expression can be transported from one side of an equation to the other side. The sign of the transport change positive to negative. We know that when the equals to, when the sign comes from this side, LHS side to RHS side, negative goes positive and positive comes to negative. Okay, whenever you divide or multiply by the negative number, then the symbol of the inequation is reversed. Remember that this point is very important. Whenever you multiply or divide by a negative number, okay, at that time your sign, inequation sign getting changed, that is getting reversed. Okay, so our first question, you see, first question is solve the inequation 3x minus 11 less than 3, okay, where value of x is given, x implies to 1, 2, 3 to 10. Okay, that means clearly here mention that first of all you solve, this is the inequation sign, this is called, I am calling this is inequation because not equals to sign is given here. Okay, and whatever you do, if you want to add or subtract, but you do the both side. For example, minus 11 goes this side, what, minus 11 goes this side, that means what is getting positive because it is the negative number, and negative number go this side from LHS to RHS, that means what, it getting positive. So you add both side. Okay, so 3x minus 11 plus 11, 3 plus 11, you see minus 11 go this side, that means getting positive. So you add both side because this is the rules of doing the inequation, add 11 both side. Clear? So 3x minus 11 plus 11 cancel, 3 plus 11 is 14. Okay, at that time this divide goes 3 goes this side, that means divide. So you divide both side. That means I want to say, if you want to do subtract, multiply, add, whatever you're doing both side. Okay, so you divide by 3 both side. So 3 cancel, x, that is 4.67. Clear? So that means we get value of x is less than 4. Value of x is less than 4.67, and what is given here, value of x is 1 to 10. So our answer is 1, 2, 3, 4, because clearly mentioned the value of x is less than 4.67. So our answer is x equals to 1, 2, 3, 4. Done. And you also represent on the number line. Our answer is 1, 2, 3, 4. Clear? Note. Okay, question number 3. 5 minus 4x 2 minus 3x, x implies 2 whole number, and also represent the line on the number line. First of all, we see minus 4x, this minus come this side, that is plus 3x. That means you add 3x both side. Clear? Because we know that whenever you adding that this number comes to the right hand side, left hand side, at that time you do the both side. Okay, so 5 minus 4x minus 3x getting plus 3x, 2 minus 3x plus 3x. Clear? So add 3x both side. Okay, 5 minus 4x plus 3x, that is minus x, 2. Done. This plus, when go from LHS to RHS side, this is a positive number. When this number getting this side, that means getting negative. Okay, so you subtract 5 from both side. Clear? So 5 minus x, 2 minus 5. Subtract 5 from both side. Clear? So 5 cancel, minus x, 2 minus 5, it's minus 3. This is minus x. We know that we find the value of only positive x plus x. So you divide this number by minus 1. Okay, so that means whatever you do doing both side, divide by number minus 1, minus 1. So minus minus cancel, x we get, minus minus cancel, 3 we get. And we know, we learn the basic formula, the main formula of the linear equation. What? Whenever a number is divided or multiplied by a negative number, the inequation sign getting reversed. That means the symbol change from this side to this side, totally reversed. Okay, so what we get? We get the value of x is less than 3, and then given is the x is implies to what? X indicate whole number, and the whole number begins from 0, 1, 2. Why 2? Because x is less than 3, not equals to 3. X is less than 3. So our answer is 0, 1, 2. Clear? Note. Solve 2 bracket start x minus 2 less than 3x minus 2, x implies 2, minus 3 minus 2 minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. Clear? Okay. First of all, we open the bracket normal. 2 into x, that is 2x minus 2 2s are 4, 3x minus 2 plus 3x come this side, that is negative, that is subtract, that means to subtract 3x from both side. So 2x minus 3x minus 4, 3x minus 3x minus 2, subtract 3x. Done. So 2x minus 3x is minus x, minus 4, 3x cancel, minus 2. Minus 4, that is negative 4, go this side, that is negative, positive means add. So you add both side 4, minus x minus 4 plus 4 minus 2 plus 4, add 4, minus x minus 2 plus, that is plus 2. So this is not our x value because this is a negative value. So we get the positive value. How? Divide this number by minus 1. So x minus 2 and this sign getting reversed. So the value of x is greater than minus 2. So value of x is greater than minus 2, that is minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, and given is what? value of x is minus 3, minus 2, 1, 2, 3. The ending portion is only 3 and number is given is what? X is greater than minus 2. So greater than minus 2 is minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. So this is our answer. Clear? Not? Solve 2x minus 3 upon 4 is greater than or equals to 2 and value of x implies to 0, 1, 2, dot, 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 8. That means value of x 1 to 8. Okay. So first of all, we take the LCM of this one. This is the new pattern. Okay. Take the LCM of this one, this one. That is LCM of 4 and 2 is what? 4. Okay, so multiply both sides by 4. 2x minus 3 by 4, 1 upon 2, multiply both sides 4, 4. This 4, 4 cancel. What we get here? 2x minus 3. These 2 cancel, this one 2. So we get here 2. Okay, minus 3 go this side. So positive, that means you adding plus 3 both side. Add 3. So we get 2x greater than 5. We need to find the value of only x. So divide by 2. So when divide by 2 here, that means divide by 2 also here. So what you get? The value of x is more than 2.5. So more than 2.5, that is 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Because x implies to where? Up to 8. Okay, note. Question number 9. Simple as that. The positive number, when positive number come from RHS, that means right hand side to left hand side, this is getting negative. So we subtract minus 2x from both sides. So x minus 2x minus 3, 2x minus 2x minus 1. Subtract 2x from both sides. Okay. X minus 2x, it's minus x minus 3, 2x cancel, minus 1. Clear? Minus 3 go this side, positive, so you add plus 3 both side. Minus x minus 3, add 3, minus 1 plus 3, add 3 both side. Clear? So minus x minus 3 plus 3 cancel, minus less than minus 1 plus 3, it's only 2. Okay, so we need to value of only positive x. So we get the value of positive x, divide by minus 1. So this side also divide by minus 1. And we know that when any number divided by or multiplied by a negative number, then its in equation sign getting what? Getting reversed. So the value of x is minus 2, more than minus 2. So the value of x is more than minus 2. So more than minus over 2 is minus 1, 0, 1, 2 goes on. So given portion is here 1 to 9. So that means our answer begin from 1 to, because again I repeat, value of x is more than minus 2. More than minus 2 is minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 goes on. But the given portion is starting from 1. So this is not the part of our answer. The answer goes from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 up to 9. Clear? note.